Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got some diamond paintings. I did get these as a YouTube coordination type thing with a company called InLoveArtShop. And they asked me if I wanted to do a review on some of their products. So I picked out these two diamond paintings and I figured I would see what their diamond paintings are like, which they came in just this little black bag. They're not very big, but they do have different sizes you can choose from. The prices are pretty good, so I wanted to check them out and see what they were like. And because I have a diamond painting group that I'm in on Facebook, and we're always looking for companies with good pricing, good drills, and everything like that. So I figured I'd give it a shot. So the first one, like I said, they're not very big, but I got simple stuff, simple pictures, so that they would look pretty good. So the first one was this flower, and I really thought it was really pretty. And the canvas is pretty thick, and it says it's a 31 by 31, but that's the canvas size, not the picture size. So the symbols, you can see the symbols, they're really, really clear. Sorry, you're gonna get a shadow on here today. But you can see the symbols really well, so that's good. There's no blurring or anything like that. And the stickiness is really good. You can see it's really sticky. So that's excellent. Put that back on there. And you get, just the standard kit with the green boat, the wax, the pen, and there are baggies in here. And we're going to go ahead and open up the drills and check them out. Let's see where to open them. Okay. So it is a round. This one is round, but they look really good. The 310, the dreaded 310, it looks really good in there. I don't see any bad drills or anything. So that's really good. I like that. All of them look really well. I don't see any trash drills in the bags at all. So that's good. There are 27 colors in this one little picture. I'm not going to do the inventory right now. I will do that later. I always do that off camera. It's just easier. But so yeah, that is the first picture. We're going to go ahead and open up the second one and check it out as well. Oh, I really like this one. Okay, so there is what the picture is. And there is the picture. So again, really nice. This one has 25 colors. And again, you get the standard toolkit. I'm going to go ahead and check the stickiness on this. And again, you can see it's really sticky. So that's good. And again, really clear on the symbols and the letters. Those are really good. The key's small, but this is a small canvas, so it's gonna, you know, it has to be kind of small. Again, 31 by 31, it's the size of the canvas. The canvas is pretty thick, pretty stiff canvas. So yeah, I think these are pretty good. I'm really happy with this. And again, you can see the drills in here. They look really good. I'm not seeing any trash drills or anything in these bags. And again, this one is a round as well. So I'm really happy with that. Put that one. So yeah, I will leave their info in the description box below so you guys can go check them out. Their prices, I think, are pretty good, especially for the larger diamond paintings. And they do have larger sizes for all of the pictures. They have quite a few diamond paintings on there. So, you know, be sure, I mean, there are quite a few that I personally want myself on there. So be sure and check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one today because, you know, it was just 2 diamond paintings. So I will be doing a video hopefully here soon to show you guys how to do the diamond paintings. And I will probably pick one that's small enough that I can actually do the whole diamond painting in the video. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.